Welcome to the Habasit CAD drawing access video. Habasit is using the TraceParts platform to provide access to the HabasitLINK, Habasit Cleandrive, and HabaCHAIN product lines. TraceParts can be found on the web at traceparts.com. Each user will be required to register for a free account. Click on Register for Free. Complete the form with all the required information. Once completed, you can create your TracePart account. I'll go into sign in as I have an account already. We'll sign in. Once signed in, you can find all of the Habasit models available by clicking on the search area, typing in Habasit, and pressing the search button. This will list most of the products in alphanumeric order. We have 2,901 products available. To better organize your search, you can click on the Habasit logo, which will organize into a series of folders. The top level of folders shows the product lines: plastic modular belts, Cleandrive belts, slat, and conveyor chains, the HabaCHAIN product line. In today's example, we'll look for the M2510 product line, and we'll download the module for the M2510 and a sprocket for the M2510. Clicking on the plastic modular belt folder will open all of the HabasitLINK products available. They're listed by pitch and running type, straight running or radius. The M2510 is a straight running belt. We'll click on this folder, which will open all 1-inch pitch straight running belts. We'll search for the M2510 series. Here we go. Open that folder. It'll provide all the subfolders for the accessories for the M2510, the module model, and the available sprockets. In order to download the module drawing, click on the 2510 flat top. This page will automatically load the file. Does not require a CAD program to see what you're downloading. A left and hold mouse click will let you orient the model. With a roller, you can zoom in or out. You have a picture of the belt and also basic dimensions showing the pitch and thickness. Going back to the model image, we can download CAD models as highlighted. By pressing the pull-down menu, it opens all the available file formats. Today I'm going to select a step file format. Once selecting the format, the download icon is highlighted. Clicking on that will download the selected file to the My Activity window, which will automatically open. To download it to your PC, press the download icon again. This will download a zip file to your download directory. So in the download directory, we can see that we have downloaded the file. We'll double click. It'll show you the step file and any accompanying file required for your particular format. Going back to the TraceParts, in order to go download a sprocket model, we can get back to the M25 folders, select Sprocket Series. In this case, we have many options. The default is the first file found. In this case, I'm going to search for the 18 tooth number of teeth, or if you know the pitch diameter, you can find that. And here we found the 18 tooth, 5.8 pitch diameter, and a 1.5-inch square bore. Clicking that will download the file to the viewer. Again, with a left mouse click, you can rotate, take a look at the drawing. You can see a picture. Going back to the model. Again, with CAD models highlighted, you can select the file format that you wish. You wanted to pick SolidWorks. We can download the model. The My Activity window opens, which is also showing a history of what you've downloaded during the session. To download it to the PC, again, we press the download icon and it will be downloaded in zip format to your download directory. Here we go. We have the M25S1003, which is the file selected. Double click will open the available files in the zip document. You have the drawing and any available text documents required.